Howdy howdy, this is Mr. Elmhorst with the science lab video. We're going to take a look at what we need to get set up for our first science lab. So we're going to do change in a bag. So you're going to need your directions for the group. Each student will need safety goggles. And then inside the lab supply box, you're going to need a Ziploc bag. We have calcium chloride and baking soda. And then we also have a blue indicator. So once we've read through all the directions, we're going to start with this cup. I'm going to use this cup just to help us separate the bag into two parts. All right, so we're going to put the bag where half of it is inside the cup and half is out, just to help stabilize it. And we're going to start with the the calcium chloride. And we just need 1 tablespoonful, and that's going to go in one side of the bag. And then the sodium baking soda is going to go in the other side of the bag. But be sure that we're going to keep the two sides separate. Okay, after we pour them in there, it should look something like this. We have 2 substances separated. And now we're going to mix and pour half of the indicator on the left side and half of it on the right side. Okay, now you may start to see a reaction here. Now, very carefully, using your lab partner, we're going to pick the bag up with the finger in the middle to keep it separate. And then we're going to massage the mixture together to see what kind of reaction that we're having. There you go, holding them separate, massaging it. Now, one of them may end up being very hot, so be careful with the touch. And one of them may end up being very cold. So now take a minute to write down your observation. So do you see any evidence of a chemical reaction? Now that you've written down your observations, the last part, we're going to stretch the bag up. Stretch the bag up, let the air out, and then we're going to close the top. And after you close the top, you're going to note any more observations, any more chemical changes. Either, oh, it looks like I didn't close it all the way. It sounds like we have a gas coming out. Okay, notice the bag is filling up. We have a color change. So, and make a note down below, after you mix all of them together, what are some observations that you have? And now the cleanup, we're going to put the indicator cup back in here and make sure we have the cup separated. All right, and I will replace a Ziploc bag in there so we can get it reset for our next class.